Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you're good. I am here with some goodies I bought from a sale from Donna, Dreams times 3. And in her sale, of course, is her famous, I forgot what binding ribbon, I guess it's called. I got her light blue package this time. And it's gorgeous. Look at all the different shades. I'm going to turn this way. See all the different shades of blue? She does such an awesome job. I think this is my third pack now. I'll probably end up having every one of her colors eventually. And then also, she had some Delusion die cuts. And I already have these a while ago. Well, hey, no Delusions. Couldn't say no to that. And they have flowers and birds. They're really cool to work with. I don't even think she does them anymore. And then, I bought this stencil pack. And I'm want to check this out. I get all these designs. Oh, look at that. It says right there. Oh, them are cool. I thought they were neat. I usually don't buy the ones that are cardboard, but I've come to realize, hey, paint makes them only better. These are cool. And I like that they were like small. Them are cool. Oh, wow. Oh, I like this. Yeah, them are cool. They're hard to see, I know. Neon. Them are a lot. Them are 24? How many were in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yep, that was cool. 24 in that little package. So that's what I bought. And she sent me cards. And then it has this little note, which I can use. It says, "Thank you so much. Big hugs, Donna." And then she was telling me about, they were talking about Poke Tools the other night, and I'm like, what are you guys talking about? So she showed me hers, and she sent me some to make some. And then this past weekend, I received one. Oh, lost a little dapper thing. And this is from Martha. Isn't it pretty? So this is her version of Poke Tool. She used a long needle, but I guess these are like turkey thingies or whatever. So I'm going to try. What the heck, you know? That's cool. And then she included this cool stamp. I don't know if I bought this. I might have bought this. I don't know. Because I could see me buying this. But either way, it's cool. You get the luggage, the car, the air balloon, getaway, a bicycle, a tag, bon voyage, a ship, a compass, an airplane, and another suitcase. And stars that say, up and away. And that is from Donna's sale. Her and Jelly Bean have a sale every 2 weeks. So please go, if you have time, check it out. And as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be friendly, be crafty. Bye for now.